All right, we're back in Cuppa. So we're going to start to make an article. We'll just grab the review template, and then we'll enter the best herbs for balcony in the keyword. We're going to turn off the fetch SERP, but you should leave this on. Then we're just going to apply our preset. Let Cuppa generate the outline. There we go. Then we're just going to clean this up a little bit. Remove some stuff that we don't want. There we go. Then we're just going to hit generate the article. Generate. If you want to save some time, presets below. Let Cuppa get to work. Kind of got this sped up so you don't have to wait. There we go. We got an article. Now we're just going to head over to Originality and see how this thing scores. Just copy it from the top, head over to Originality, paste it in, scan. There you go. This is going to be the quickest and easiest way to create a humanized article with Cuppa.